In this class, and specifically in the discussion boards, you'll have to submit a couple of different pictures throughout the semester. These pictures can be added really anywhere in Blackboard that has a text box, but you really won't be using it anywhere except in the discussion boards. So we're going to talk about how exactly to do that. So here I am in a board. I'm going to just reply and insert a picture. The question is about birds, and I really like birds, and I'm going to insert a picture of a bird. So what I just clicked is in this text box, the third row down and the third icon in is a little picture. This little picture is used to insert and edit images. So this is the window that pops up. I'm going to browse my computer, and I already found a picture that I wanted to include. Now, if your picture is very large, it may take a couple of seconds for it to load, but you don't need to do it again. Just wait a moment, and then it will load. One of the things you want to do is enter in an image description. It doesn't have to be long. I'm writing Pelican. This is just for very helpful for students who have low visibility, that it helps with their program identify what pictures are. So just write a very quick description. And if you don't, it will prompt you to do so. But you can see this picture is really, really big, obnoxiously large. Please, please do not click insert yet. We want to resize this. I'm going to click insert just to show you what this looks like. So again, here in this huge text box is this really large photo. Again, this is not what you want to do. If you were to do this, you would lose points for this because this just looks really bad. So look, this is that picture taking up the entire screen, scrolling. This is bad. Don't do this. Please do not do this. So how do you do it the right way? So I'm going to do this again. Same steps. So here's this text box, third row, third icon. I'm going to insert the same photo. I'm going to use the same description, Pelican. I'm just going to wait a couple seconds for this image to load. And then once it loads, what you're going to do is go to the Appearance tab. Keep everything exactly the same, but what we want to change is the dimensions. This is saying my picture is 4600 by 3400 pixels. A good size to start with is take your longest side and change it to 500. You do not need to change the other value. Because constrained proportions is checked, it will automatically resize it so that your picture doesn't look so weird. Once you've set that, go ahead and click insert. And it's going to resize that photo into a more acceptable size. Now, this may still be too big for you. It really depends on what you're writing, what you're talking about, etc. So if this is still too big, just click on the photo until you see these white boxes appear and click that image icon again. Go to the Appearance tab and change it. Maybe I want to do 300 pixels and then click Update. And so now it's made it smaller. And you can still write in this text box. I can write, yay, etc. So that's how you insert a photo and resize that photo. Be sure to follow these tips because again, you will lose points if you post something obnoxiously large like this.